Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and my today's Viva topic is access modifiers in Java. So let's discuss about access modifier. Access modifier in Java is also determine which is data members or method also fields of the class can be accessed by other data members of the classes or the package etc. To ensure encapsulation of the reusability, these access specifier or modifier are integrated part of the object-oriented programming. So modifiers has the two types. There are access modifier and non-access modifier. Access modifier Java allows to set the scope of the accessibility or the visibility of the data members, be the field, constructor, class or the methods. And the non-access modifier provide the non-access specifier that are used to uh, classes, variables, method, constructor, etc. The non-access specifier modifiers defines the behavior of the entities to the JVM. There are some access modifiers in Java. There are four access modifiers in Java: public, private, uh, default and parameterized. We have covered static, synchronized, and volatile keyword. Or earlier tutorial, we can cover the other non-access modifiers. There are four types of access modifiers. Let's discuss about one by one. First one is a default access modifier. Whenever a specific access level is not specified, then it is assumed to default the scope of the default level within the package. Next one is a public access modifier. This is the most common level of whenever the public access specifier is used to within the entity. That particular entity is accessible throughout from within the outside of the class or within the outside of the package. The next one is the access modifier is the third one, protected. The protected access level has a scope that is within the package. Protected entity is also acceptable outside the package through the inherited class or the child class. The next one is a private access modifier. When an entity is a private, then entity cannot be accessed outside the class. A private entity can only the accessed from within the class. So next discuss about default access modifier. The default access modifier Java has a specific keyword. Whenever the access modifier is not specified, then the Java by default access the default access modifier. The entity like classes, methods and the variables can have the default access. The default class is accessible inside the package but the not accessible for the outside the package. That is, all the classes inside the package is within the default class defines access modifier. So next discuss about public access modifier. The class or the methods or the data field specified as public access modifier from the package of the Java program. That the public entity accessible within the package or the outside the package. In the general, public access modifier is the modifier that does not restrict the entity of all. So it's all about the access modifiers in Java. Thank you so much.